Thank you very much for watching this video from Drive Professional Driving School. In this video, we are going to cover how to turn left from main road into a side road. On the approach, apply your MSPSL routine. So check the interior left door mirror, signal left, continue in your normal driving position and slow down. In this situation, we've got the cyclist, so slow and give plenty of room to the cyclist. When it is safe, continue and proceed to turn left. After turning left, now update your mirror and set the gas to progress. On the other hand, always you got to be much more careful before you begin steering left. In some situation, you might have a person running across the road. In this situation, you can see that there is a person with his dog or with her dog running across. It is possible that this person may not look at all, so we got to watch what he is up to. Now you see that he is about to step in the road, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until he clear and cross the road. Once he passed the junction and cleared the junction, a quick look on your left door mirror and continue to turn left.